Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
What's up, man? Nice, bro. You want to get in here? You want a demo? In a minute, I will, yeah. Nice, dude. I'll get a demo of yours soon in a minute. I'll wait around. I'll give you a demo. I'm coming over. What's up, man? How you doing? What's your name real quick and what you got? Alright.
I have two 3015 step-ons.
Okay.
On 2 tires, 5Ks, both run at half. 45 amp hour C-Max. Then they got Chimpano mids and highs, man.
Okay. Is the box sealed or is there a port?
What's the port? Curb port all the way in there.
Okay, I'll see it afterward. Awesome. Have you metered it yet?
Yeah, it does a 50. 50 with driver's window down and 148 sealed.
Okay. Can I see the back real quick? Yeah. Awesome. Very nice.
Thank you.
And it slid in? Okay.
Right in, dude, no problem.
What's going on, everyone? This is Jacob Vile. I hope you enjoyed the quick walk around we just got of Jamie's trunk system. 2 Def Bonts 35 15-inch subwoofers on 10,000 watts beating up his car. We're about to get to a bass demo. This was at the Virginia show, TDH, Team Deadly Hertz, in 2021, getting to upload it. Looking forward to showing y'all how it sounds. Pretty crazy trunk flex. So if you haven't already, comment, let him know what you think about his system, and give him some positive feedback as well as give him a like. He did a really good job showcasing it at the TDH show. These subwoofers are rated for 3,000 watts RMS, an efficient amount of power. He's ran 10,000 watts to the subs. Of course, he's got a little bit of headroom and a powerful amount of lithium C-Max to support this electrical system. So I noticed that his port is on the side instead of the front. Being that this is a 2 15-inch subwoofer system in the trunk, it's always hard to fit 2 15s in the trunk like this, but he got the job done. As you can see here, the port is on the driver's side. Push the box back as far as it could to be able to let the trunk breathe into the cabin. Probably the most efficient route that he could have gone. Maybe go aero port to make the box a little smaller to get more space, but he did a good job building it. Either he did it or his box builder. It was a slide-in box, so he was able to actually fit the box in the trunk, which I found was pretty cool to be able to do. I've seen a lot of people build 15-inch subwoofer boxes like this, and they had to build into the vehicle. So anyway, that's it for the commentary. Consider subscribing for daily cardio videos, and enjoy the demo.
Wait. All right. Yeah, I'd love to hear it.
Right, but you losing the fight you pick. future years right on my clothes. Some of you brothers no joke. I used to kick it that dope. Future years right on my clothes. Future years right on my clothes.
Wow, man. Pretty good. I appreciate the demo. Thanks for the demo. Nice to meet you. No problem, man.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you, channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you, everybody, for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.